If you've been stuck on the couch because of back pain, especially low back pain, you're going to love this stretch. You're going to take your leg over like this. Now, if you can kind of push down and already feel a release in your hip joint. But more than anything else, you're going to lift up, lean a little bit over, and immediately, at least for me, I'm feeling it right across my gluteus, otherwise known as the buttock, and the piriformis. So that can give a good release if you have sciatica or having leg pain. So you just lean. Some people are going to be able to pour over. At this point, I'm not that flexible myself, being almost 50 years old next year. So if you want to work with it, you can work over time where you are leaning over, but really you just want to go into the edge of the stretch and breathe. And hopefully it looks good, but even for me, it's kind of painful in a good way. So over time, that'll stretch that out, and it actually will make you feel better.